Hello guys, I'm King Walter Koga. I come again. Today I just want to introduce the nyatiti instrument and the body of nyatiti. This instrument over here has so many history and to tell. And as today, I'm going just to introduce the body of nyatiti because this is our identity. This is our identity as the Luo community. This is the nyatiti. This is our instrument. We came along with concerning history. So as you can see, this is the full body of nyatiti music. The full body of nyatiti music. This one here over here is called the resonator. The resonator is speaker. It's like speaker. It produces sound. It produces sound from when you plug the strings over here. You plug the strings. It connects to the speaker. Then it produces sound so you can enjoy nyatiti music. We have the resonator as a breathing door. The door you are seeing here. This door has so many work here. So we can use it we can use the door to produce the sound when you are not using the modern instrument. When you are not using the modern instrument, you open the door so it can just breathe out the sound so people can hear you and can hear the sound of nyatiti and they enjoy what you are playing. And also we can use the door. We can also use this door here to get tip. You know, when you are busy, you are playing, you are busy, you can't coordinate getting tip from people and also handle the tip. So we use this door over here for people to put tip. If you have tip, I'm playing good or you're enjoying the music, you can come and put the tip over here so I can get it later and know what you have put for me, so I can enjoy life. Also, I can get a tea and bread from playing the nyatiti. And there's a resonator, this is the door. And as you see, the front part of nyatiti, this is the skin. This is the skin of nyatiti. This skin coordinates the sound, the string sound, and the bridge to the resonator, to the speaker over here. So the strings are 8 strings, and we use fishing strings because we Luos, we are fishermen. So we use strings to represent our culture also. The fishing string to represent our culture because this is our identity as Luo community. And there are 8 strings. There are 8 strings, and each of every string has its own sound and its own tune, and different sound as you can hear. Yeah, it has different sound and different tune. And also here we have two handles. We have the right handle and the left handle. So this is the left handle. Most of the traditional players use it to use something we call, there's a metal called oduongo. Oduongo is just round like this. You put it on your bigger toe, your palm, of your, I think of your right leg. So you tap here. When you tap here, it gives you the timing, and also it adds some percussions and some sound. So you can go along with it when you are tapping here. It produces its own sound. And the upper one, we use it to hold the tuning pegs. You hold the tuning pegs. You can see mine, there are 8 of them over here. So when I want to tune the nyatiti, I use these tuning pegs pegs over here to tune the nyatiti or to tighten the strings, to hold the strings, So mine, they are pipira reeds. Mine, I use the pipira reeds to make these tuning pegs. And some use, some modern players use the modern tuning pegs from guitar, the guitar tuning pegs. So they just plug it here. So you can use the modern type of tuning peg. Mine are traditional one, the pipira kit. And another one is, as you can see here, we have the bridge over here. This what connect nyatiti and the skin and the strings and the resonator, the speaker. So we have the bee, the wasp of the bee hubs, this one. We connect this and you have the reeds over here. Yeah. See the full story of nyatiti, the full body of nyatiti. Thank you for enjoying and thank you for staying with me. Know the body of nyatiti. Thank you so much.